But as the day grew long, Ned and George grew tired. They'd been watering and blowing and fanning all afternoon. George's little plant didn't look any better.
I think you've done all you can, Ned. Why don't you go home?
What about your plant?
It's no good. Mitzi was right. Sometimes they just don't last long.
Are you coming too?
No, I'll just stay here. Keep it company.
Well, bye, George.
Bye, and thanks, Ned.
But George can't stay out all night, Frank. He'll get cold. We've tried everything, Buster. What else can we do?
George won't move from his little plant.
Maybe you need to move the plant then.
Mitzi, you're a genius. Come on, Buster. Let's get the plane.
All you had to do was ask.
Frank will be careful, won't he, Buster?
Don't worry, George. He knows what he's doing.
Thanks to Mitzi, George's little plant was going to have a new home, somewhere safe from the hot outback sun.
There we go.
Is it okay, Frank?
Yeah, it's going to be fine, George.
Thank you, everyone.
By the next morning, George was back to his cheery best.
Right then, let's have a little look-see.
Morning, George.
Morning, Frank. Buster. So, how's me little plant doing today?
George! George! Come and have a look. You'll never guess. Come on.
It's got a little flower. Me plant's got a little flower.
It must be really happy in its new home, George.
There you go. Oh, did you see that? It wiggled. Oh, thank you, everyone. I don't know what we'd have done without you.
We are here to help, George.
There you
That
go.
day, everyone realised that even the smallest thing, like George's little plant, was important and needed to be looked after and cared for.
If you're in trouble and you need someone to help you out, there's no need to whistle and there's no need to shout. Hey, 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 hey.